concepts of triangle. So, what is triangle? Triangle is a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines. So, basically, this is a triangle ABC which has three sides, AB, BC and CA. Also, it is a polygon. Polygon means what? Polygon. Poly means many and gun means sides. So, if a closed figure has many sides, that will be considered as a polygon. A question comes, can a closed figure be made with two or one side? The answer is no. We cannot make a closed figure with these two lines. Minimum required lines to make a closed figure is 3. So now moving to different types of triangles. The classification is basically based on two things. That is, they are classified on two bases. The very first is side. So the first triangle on the basis of side is equilateral triangle. That is considered a triangle ABC. If all the sides of triangle ABC are equal, then that triangle will be considered as an equilateral triangle. That means here AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So this is an equilateral triangle. Followed by the next, and that is what? That is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? If two sides of a triangle are equal but the third side is not equal, that will be isosceles triangle. That means if AB is equal to BC but is not equal to AC, then this is known as an isosceles triangle. Now the third one is scalene triangle. Third one is scalene triangle. What does exactly scalene triangle means? Scalene triangle basically means it is totally opposite of equilateral triangle. That means none of the sides are equal. None of the sides, that is AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. This is an scalene triangle. Now coming to second classification, and that is on the basis of angle. So the very first triangle classified on the basis of angle is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So this is a triangle ABC, right angle at B. So if any of the angle inside a triangle is 90 degree, then that triangle will be a right angle triangle. Second one is acute angle triangle. That means if none of the A, B and C, if none of the angle is equal to, or that is angle, none of the angle is equal to 90 degree or is greater than 90 degree, both the conditions, none of the angle holds both the condition. That means all the angles are less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree, and this will be what? This is acute angle triangle. Followed by the other one, and that is obtuse angle triangle. What is happening in obtuse angle triangle? So here, if any of the angle is greater than 90 degree, then it will be considered as obtuse angle triangle. Here triangle A, B, C, angle B is what? Angle B is greater than 90 degree. So this triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Now coming to next concept of triangle, and that is congruency. Before beginning with congruency, it is important to know the difference between congruency and similarity. So this is, suppose it to be a 10 rupee coin and it to be a 1 rupee coin. The very first thing that will come in your mind after seeing this will be that both the figures are similar to each other because both are circular in shape. Now the second question, my question would be, are they congruent? The answer will be no, they are not. Why? Just bring the both of them close to each other and put the smaller one on the bigger one. You will observe that this coin is not superimposing the other coin. You can see the spaces that are left here. That means these two are not congruent to each other. As per figure to be congruent, it is important that one figure should superimpose the other figure. So the same thing is in triangles also. There are certain criteria to decide whether two triangles are congruent or not congruent. The very first is side, angle and side. So, to explain this, I will take the example for consider it. So, to explain side, angle, side, I will take the example of both the triangles. Mark it to be A, B, C, here X, Y, Z. This is 7 centimeters, this is also 7 centimeters, this is 9 centimeters, this side is also of 9 centimeters, and the angle between them is 60 degrees. The only possible third side is of 8 centimeters, not more than that, and neither more than 8 centimeters nor less than that. And the same thing holds true in this figure also. That means if all the sides are equal, then this is definitely going to superimpose this. If sides are equal, then definitely they will superimpose, and hence both the figures are congruent to each other. Now coming to second property, and that is side, angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Suppose a triangle A, B, C. A, B, C and X, Y, Z. If this angle, this side and angle adjacent to it is equal to the angle, this side and angle adjacent to this side. That is, angle BAC is equal to angle YXZ, side AB is equal to side XY, and this angle is also equal, then in this case both the triangles are congruent to each other. Now coming to the second property, and that is angle, angle, side. Angle, angle and side. That is this angle, then another angle and side adjacent to this. If angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, and side BC is equal to side YZ, then both the triangles are going to be congruent to each other. Now coming to the fourth one, and that is side, side, side. If side AB is equal to side XY, if side BC is equal to side YZ and side AC is equal to side XZ, then both the triangles are going to superimpose each other and hence are congruent. Now the fifth one is right angle hypotenuse side. This property is basically for right angle triangles, or this criteria is for right angle triangles. Suppose a right angle triangle ABC and here XYZ. This criteria says if any of the perpendicular sides of triangle 1 is equal to any of the perpendicular side of triangle 2 and hypotenuse of both the sides are equal, then these two triangles are congruent to each other. So here I am done with the concepts. So here I will end this topic. Thank you so much. Hope you liked it.